ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಟು ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಇವತ್ತು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು 5ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ತಿಳಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಇಂದ ಒಂದು ಪಾಠವನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಪದ್ಯವನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಅ ಪೋಯಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 5th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ತಿಳಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಪದ್ಯ ಪೂರಕ ಪದ್ಯ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಮೇನ್ ಲೆಸನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಆಸೆ. ಆಸೆ ಅಂದರೆ ವಿಶ್. The poet is having a few wishes here, which is really wonderful. So each one of us, we have this wish when not even just in a childhood, we have now also. So those kind of wishes, we'll try to enact this with meaning by knowing the meaning. Okay, we'll start with the poem Aase. Aase andre wish. Ee padyavannu baredavaru K.S. Narasimha Swami. So we'll start. Hakkiya hadige, for the song of that is sang by the bird. Hakki andre bird, haadu andre song. Taledooguva hu, taledooguva andre like a nodding ahead. Who is nodding ahead? The flower is nodding ahead. Naanaguva aase, I want to become like that, I wish to become like that anta artha. Okay, so the first line is for the song where I have to become a flower who nod the heads for the song that is sang by the bird, for the bird singing. That is the meaning of the first line. See, observe, Naanaguva aase andre I want to become that, I wish to become that, I feel to become that. Artha aita? So everywhere you have that one. So we'll just keep it that one. ಹಸುವಿನ ಕೊರಳಿನ, ಹಸು ಅಂದರೆ ಕೌ, ಕೊರಳು ಅಂದರೆ ದ ನೆಕ್, ಗೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ದನಿಯು, ಗೆಜ್ಜೆ ಅಂದರೆ ದ ಆಂಕ್ಲೆಟ್, ದನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೌಂಡ್. So I want to become that sound, the anklet sound which is there in the neck of the cow. ಹಸುವಿನ ಕೊರಳಿನ ಗೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ದನಿಯು, ನಾನಾಗುವ ಆಸೆ, I want to become that. ಹಬ್ಬಿದ ಕಾಮನ ಬಿಲ್ಲು, ಕಾಮನ ಬಿಲ್ಲು is a rainbow. So ಹಬ್ಬಿದ ಕಾಮನ ಬಿಲ್ಲು ಅಂದರೆ the rainbow which is being spread. So ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಮುಗಿಲಾಗುವ ಆಸೆ. So where does the ಕಾಮನ ಬಿಲ್ಲು will come? ಕಾಮನ ಬಿಲ್ಲು will come on the sky. So ಮುಗಿಲು ಅಂದರೆ sky. I want to become a sky where the ಕಾಮನ ಬಿಲ್ಲು will come. So that is the meaning of the next one. ಹಬ್ಬಿದ ಕಾಮನ ಬಿಲ್ಲಿನ ಮೇಲಿನ ಮುಗಿಲಾಗುವ ಆಸೆ, I want to become the sky. ಚಿನ್ನದ ಬಣ್ಣದ, the golden color, ಚಿನ್ನದ ಬಣ್ಣ, ಬಣ್ಣ is a color, ಚಿನ್ನದ ಬಣ್ಣ is a golden color, ಚಿನ್ನ is a gold. ಜಿಂಕೆಯ ಕಣ್ಣಿನ, ಜಿಂಕೆ is a deer, ಕಣ್ಣು ಅಂದರೆ eyes. ಮಿಂಚಾಗುವ ಆಸೆ, I want to become that lightning which is there in the eyes of a jinke. So what kind of a jinke? The golden color jinke. So I want to become the lightning in the eyes of that golden color deer. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Yes. Next. ತೋಟದ ಕಂಪಿನ ಉಸಿರಲ್ಲಿ ತೇಲುವ ಜೇನಾಗುವ ಆಸೆ. ಜೇನು ಅಂದರೆ honeybee. I want to become a honeybee. So what kind of a honeybee? ತೋಟದ ಕಂಪಿನಲ್ಲಿ. So where does the honeybee roam? It will go to the nectar, to the fragrance, in the gardens, in the flower, to the flowers. So ತೋಟದ ಕಂಪಿನಲ್ಲಿ, ಕಂಪು ಅಂದರೆ the good smell, the fragrance, ತೋಟ ಅಂದರೆ garden. So in the garden there is a fragrance. ಆ ಫ್ರಾಗ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ there is a air, ಉಸಿರು. So this honeybee will be floating, ತೇಲು ಅಂದರೆ the floating in that fragrance in the garden. ಕಡಲಿನ ನೀಲಿಯ, ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಳಕುವ ಮೀನಾಗುವ ಆಸೆ. ಮೀನು ಅಂದರೆ ಫಿಶ್. ಸೊ ಮೀನಾಗುವ ಆಸೆ, I want to become a fish. Where I have to become a fish? I have to become fish in the ಕಡಲಿನ ನೀರು. ಕಡಲು ಅಂದರೆ the ಸರೋವರ, ocean, sea. ನೀಲಿಯ, so what color is the ocean? ನೀಲಿ, the blue color. ಕಡಲಿನ ನೀಲಿಯ ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ, in the blue colored water of the sea. ಬಳುಕುವ, ಬಳುಕುವ ಅಂದರೆ it will shake the body. So the fish will shake the body and it will be happily enjoying in the water. So I wish to become that fish. ಸಿಡಿಲೆನು ಕಾರುವ ಬಿರುಮಳೆಗಂಜದೆ ಮುನ್ನಡೆಯುವ ಆಸೆ. So ಸಿಡಿಲು, ಸಿಡಿಲು ಅಂದರೆ the lightning will come even though there is a heavy rain. ಬಿರುಮಳೆ ಅಂದರೆ heavy rain. Even though there is a heavy rain, the lightning will come. So I want to become like a lightning who will not even get scared, who will not even fear of that ಬಿರುಮಳೆ ಅಂದರೆ the heavy rain. So ಅಂಜದೆ, ಬಿರುಮಳೆಗೆ ಅಂಜದೆ, ಅಂಜದೆ ಅಂದರೆ the one who doesn't fear. So the one who I want to become that strong. I want to move forward like lightning, who won't get scared, who won't feel fear of a heavy rain. That is the meaning of these two lines. ನಾಳೆಯ ಬದುಕಿನ, for the next, the tomorrow's life, ಈರುಳಿನ ತಿರುವಿಗೆ, so for the darkness, ತಿರುವು ಅಂದರೆ the curve, for the dark curve, ದೀಪವನ್ನಿಡುವ ಆಸೆ, I want to light up the light in the darkness of my life. So that is the meaning of the last two lines. We'll sing now. So it's a very simple, I am putting a very simple tune, so try to follow the tune. So voice ಅಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಬೇಜಾರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ, don't feel sad. If you already know the tune, you can put the tune. ಹಕ್ಕಿಯ ಹಾಡಿಗೆ ತಲೆದೂಗುವಹು ನಾನಾಗುವ ಆಸೆ, ಹಸುವಿನ ಕೊರಳಿನ ಗೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ದನಿಯು ನಾನಾಗುವ ಆಸೆ. This tune will repeat. Okay, I'll repeat. ಹಕ್ಕಿಯ ಹಾಡಿಗೆ ತಲೆದೂಗುವಹು ನಾನಾಗುವ ಆಸೆ, ಹಸುವಿನ ಕೊರಳಿನ ಗೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ದನಿಯು ನಾನಾಗುವ ಆಸೆ, ಹಬ್ಬಿದ ಕಾಮನ ಬಿಲ್ಲಿನ ಮೇಲಿನ ಮುಗಿಲಾಗುವ ಆಸೆ, ಚಿನ್ನದ ಬಣ್ಣದ ಜಿಂಕೆಯ ಕಣ್ಣಿನ ಮಿಂಚಾಗುವ ಆಸೆ, ತೋಟದ ಕಂಪಿನ ಉಸಿರಲಿ ತೇಲುವ ಜೇನಾಗುವ ಆಸೆ, ಕಡಲಿನ ನೀಲಿಯ ನೀರಲಿ ಬಳುಕುವ ಮೀನಾಗುವ ಆಸೆ, ಸಿಡಿಲನು ಕಾರುವ ಬಿರುಮಳೆಗಂಜದೆ ಮುನ್ನಡೆಯುವ ಆಸೆ, ನಾಳೆಯ ಬದುಕಿನ ಇರುಳಿನ ತಿರುವಿಗೆ ದೀಪವನ್ನಿಡುವ ಆಸೆ, ಹಕ್ಕಿಯ ಹಾಡಿಗೆ ತಲೆದೂಗುವವು ನಾನಾಗುವ ಆಸೆ, ಹಸುವಿನ ಕೊರಳಿನ ಗೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ದನಿಯು ನಾನಾಗುವ ಆಸೆ. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the song ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ, ಬೈಕೋಬೇಡಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡೂ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ನೋ, ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. And help your friends who are struggling to understand this poem and teach them. And please make a video of you singing this song, this poem, and send it to me. I'll be very happy if you are okay me to upload this your song in my YouTube channel. I'll be very happy. Please do mail ಮಾಡಿ and send ಮಾಡಿ. Thank you so much. Like ಮಾಡಿ, share ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ thank you so much. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. From Yashaswi Kannada Vaani, there are many e-books that is being launched, even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched, and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out, the description box, and purchase the book. The one speciality thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book, along with also follow my Instagram page to get the spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book, and the tense book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist named Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Varnamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like ಮಾಡಿ, share ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification, so that click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.